with all of you, but I haven't shared it with the audience.
Please.
Okay. Um,
There are children in the.
yes.
Yeah,
I
there
know.
are kids here. So
It is definitely G rated, if not PG rated.
I guess I'll have to wait. So
Okay. Why does the chicken only make couple? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna screw it up. Let me think it. I'll get it though.
Wow. Wow. Oh, saved by Miss Lena.
If I miss Lena.
Okay. No more laughter. All done. Okay. Um, all right. Item D, public comment. To align with our effective governance efforts, public comment will last for 1 hour or until 8 p.m. We'll say 8 p.m., whichever is earlier. We aim to respect staff, family, and community time by beginning board business no later than 8. Our hope is to conduct board business in an efficient, effective, and accessible manner during reasonable hours. Each participant may speak for up to 1 minute. Staff will thank the participant at the 1 minute mark. At 1 minute and 5 seconds, I have asked Mr. Armentrout to please turn off the mic and transition to the next speaker. I ask members of the public to please respect that 1 minute limit so that we can hear from as many speakers as possible. I encourage speakers who are speaking on the same topic to collaborate and combine their comments so that the board can hear all viewpoints during our limited time. Please also note that the board accepts written public comments via email at boardoffice@sfusd.edu. We will hear first from students in person, then members of the general public in person, beginning with agenda items, then moving to non-agenda items. Regardless of whether in-person public comment is complete, we will save 15 minutes for remote public comment, so at 7:45 p.m., taking commenters in the same order as in person. To members of the public, on your right, you'll see signs that outline expectations for public comment and meeting conduct. We ask that all members of the public model the kind of tone, language, and behavior that we hope to see from our young people, respecting different viewpoints and allowing for all members of the public to participate. As a reminder, board rules in California